Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit so quiet. Firstly, I recommended to clean the grill. So right here and right here we have grills and you need to clean them. You can use a brush or toothbrush if you have a cleaning tool, and you need to clean it. Next, maybe you need to contact customer service, or maybe your headphones just too old. Maybe. Now, if you have this problem only for the one of your earbuds, we can change volume balance. But it's not like totally fixed. It helps you, but it's not a fix. So, first I will show you how to do this on your iPhone, and then I will move to Android device. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path to this setting. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then you need to scroll down, and under the general settings we have accessibility. You need to enter into accessibility and scroll down again. In the hearing we have audio and visual. Tap at this line, then scroll down again, and right here we have volume balance. So if you have this problem with right earbud, you just move this slider to the right. And we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on the right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. Now, if you have this problem with the left earbud, you need to move the slider to the left. And again, we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and we need to also go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and here it's located at the bottom. Enter into Accessibility, and we need to scroll down again. And at the bottom we have Audio Adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have Audio Balance. So if you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And if you use 100% on the left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. Now, if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right. And again, we increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!